That fall-like feeling is in the air, of course. The sun setting sooner each night, and before you know it, we will be in awe as we gaze upon Mother Nature's fall colors. So what makes the leaves change like they do? Meteorologist Matt Willoughby breaks down the science behind all that beautiful stuff we love to see.
Here in Northwest Ohio and Southeast Michigan, we're fortunate to live in a region where you see some spectacular views of fall foliage. Each year, we patiently wait for weeks to see those peak colors, but how does it all happen?
When the tree stops producing chlorophyll and starts taking some of these chemicals back into the tree, it pulls out that green color, and then we see the colors that were hidden in the leaves, which are primarily oranges and yellows. And then in addition to that, when we start getting sunny days and cool nights, another chemical is produced in the leaf that starts to give it the red colors that we see in a lot of different trees.
The Toledo Metro is expected to get a decent amount of rain this week, but if rain continues to be sparse in other areas, the timing of peak foliage could change.
So this year in particular has been somewhat of an interesting year because some areas of the state have been drier than others, but overall it's been a pretty dry year. So when trees are basically in a drought or go through dry periods, they get stressed. And when trees get stressed, they're more likely to go dormant sooner.
So what is the perfect formula for vibrant colors?
We really want sunny days that aren't too hot, but we also want cool nights. And when I say cool nights, we want them cold, but we don't want them to get below freezing, because if it gets below freezing, that's going to freeze the tree or freeze the leaves, and that'll cause those leaves to drop off.
So with the cooler weather now here, experts are predicting peak colors will arrive within the next 2 weeks. Reporting in Toledo, I'm meteorologist Matt Willoughby for WTOL 11.